How can a government help solve the COVID 19 crisis in India? Firstly, by not charging such high taxes in form of GST, hospital bills and the import duties which a common person cannot afford to pay. Some people suggest that the general public has been blindfolded by the high rates of taxes which are levied under daily goods, and indirectly we are already paying for it. Most of India's population cannot afford the highly priced vaccines which the private hospitals are selling. And we should not forget the increasing scarcity of beds, hospitals, and even doctors in our own country. Even though the central government has reduced the taxes on COVID 19 raw materials, it should be further reduced for the sake of a dying population rather than standing by the arbitrary rule of the system. Tax experts have suggested that the government can levy a reduction in GST rates, zero GST rates on critical raw materials, and permitting GST free imports can be used to make COVID 19 vaccines and other critical supplies cheaper and more accessible to a local citizen. Opposition ruled states such as Kerala, Telangana, and West Bengal have been vocal about the shortage of vaccines in their areas and how the central government has transferred the burden of vaccinating 18 to 44 years age group to them. West Bengal's Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said that the central government's pricing policy is detrimental to the state's interest. Kerala's Finance Minister Isaac Thomas said that our government has abdicated its responsibility of the vaccinations of the citizens of India. K.T. Rama Rao, Telangana's Industry Minister, questioned why there are two different prices for vaccinations for the central and the state government. At present, GST is levied at a rate of 5% on COVID vaccines and 12% on COVID drugs and oxygen concentrators. The GST rates have been reduced from 28 to 12% for oxygen concentrators. But a taxation expert, Mr. Saket Patwari, said that the concessional rate of 1% can be levied for COVID 19 vaccines. Suppliers would be allowed GST credit benefits, which could be claimed as a refund. We, as the citizens of India, must ask the following questions to our government. Is it relevant to tax charges in such time of distress on the commodities which are required for COVID? And if the government would have prepared beforehand for the disasters which were coming, or would have even booked the vaccination doses beforehand, could all the lives which have been lost be saved?